Hello, we are going to talk about Unit 4 from Grammar, Form, and Function. Whoops. And I'm just going to do a few activities with you. So Unit 4 begins, on page 95. But I'm going to start on page 97 with the activities. And you can read in your book on how to do, or how the grammar works in each section. This is all about the present progressive. The present progressive is what is happening now. There's always a to be verb, so am, are, or is, then a verb with ing. Okay. So the first one is done for you. It says up here. It says it's Sunday. You are looking out of the window. Complete each sentence with the present progressive form of the verb in parentheses. The first one says the birds. It's plural, so we have to say are singing. It's happening now. Number 2, Tony works. So we're going to say Tony is working. That's how you do it. Okay, so all of these are going to be are or is. I don't see I, so it's not going to be am. It's going to be are or is. So number 3, Fred and Tom, 2 people, are talking. Number 4, a child, 1, is eating. Okay, so you're going to do the rest of these. All right, to practice on page 98 in the book. So you just have to look at the pictures. And if you look at the top up here, it tells you which sentences to write, and the sentences need to match the pictures. So number 1 says Paul is playing the guitar. Look at number 2. So you can see, let's see, what is it? 2 girls with ice cream. The sentence is the girls are eating ice cream. I'm going to write that right over here. The girls are eating ice cream. There you go. All right, 3, practice. Look at the photos on page 99. Okay. And all we're doing, it says, is write about the man and the woman in the photos. Use these words on your own. Or your own. Okay, so they want us to use the words that are here. So number 1 is done for us. He is wearing a tie, or the man is wearing a tie. The next one, number 2, is she. So I'm going to say she is, or she's, apostrophe S. She's, let's see. I see she has an umbrella. And I see the verbs down here, like carry. Oops. Here, let me point to it. See the word carry? So I can say she is. Is that okay? Carry? Nope. Carrying an umbrella. She is holding it and she's walking around with it. She's carrying an umbrella. Okay, number 3, it says the man, singular, right? The man is, what's he doing? Looks like he's walking. There's one of them, right? The word is walk. The man is walking. The man is walking. Okay, so you can copy these 2 and just do the rest of the sentences. Down here, they want us to write the base verb. So all of these have ing, right? But what is the basic form? So the first one, saving, is save, S-A-V-E. Making is make. How about typing? Type. Okay. So you're going to do those, okay? You might need to use Google Translate or just google.com. What is the base form of studying? Right, find out. All right, 7 practice. Use the rules for adding ing with the verbs in the list. So you can find the rules on page 101. Okay. So like the word cry, we don't do anything with it. We don't take out the y. We don't add an e. Nothing like that. We just add ing. Crying. Okay. Dance. Dance ends with an e. Where's dance? Right there. Dance. It ends with an e, but we take out the e and add ing. Right, and sometimes we double the consonant. Consonants are the letters that are not vowels. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The consonants are all the other letters. So B, C, D, F, G. Okay, so this one, getting, do you notice it's G-E-T-T, so 2 T's, I-N-G. We double the consonant. Double means 2. Okay, I'm going to do a few more with you. Add ing, let's see. How about fix? Fixing. Okay, now let me find one with an E. How about this one? Hope. H-O, whoops. Put it right there. H-O-P. Okay, so we drop the E. Drop is like this. Drop. Drop the E, add ing. Okay, now I'm looking for one where we double the consonant. Get is what, oh, get we've already got. So get, by the way, I forgot to say this. When I say this word get, it's a consonant, vowel, consonant. I don't say geet, but I say get. It's a short vowel sound. Let's find another one. This one, put. So it's a consonant, vowel, consonant. It's put. It's not put, but put. Add another T, ing. Pudding. Okay. So you're going to do the rest of these words here. All right, the next part, complete the sentences with the present progressive form of the verb. So the verbs are in parentheses, like this one, rain is raining. So it says it's Monday evening and it is raining outside. This is happening now. Okay, I sit, I am sitting at my desk in my room. How about I watch? We're going to say I am watching. So right down here, you can just write the answers. I am watching. There it is. All right, down here, 9 practice. All right, so we're looking at the picture of the man and the woman. The man is, the number 1 says the man and the woman are standing in an office. That's not true, so we're going to say they aren't standing in an office. Okay, number 2, the man is talking on the phone. So if you look at the picture, whoop, it's not true. The man is not talking on the phone. The woman is talking on the phone. So we can say the man is not talking on the phone, or we can just change man to woman. The woman is talking on the phone. In fact, we can do both. The woman is talking on the phone. The man is not talking on the phone. Okay. All right. 10 practice. We're just matching. So number 1 says, "Is your sister studying?" No, she isn't. So your sister is a woman. So we have to say she. Okay, number 2, is the sun shining? The sun is not a he, not a she, it's an it, right? So F says, no, it's not, it's cloudy. They go together. So we want the question and the answer that belong together. Write a question for each sentence. Use the WH question words. So number 1 says, she's watching a movie. They want us to use this word what. What is she watching? The answer is a movie. Look at number 2. I am drinking tea. So if I tell you I am drinking. What? What did you say? What are you drinking? There it is. What are you drinking? I am drinking chai, tea. In English, it's tea. Get number 3. Sandra's coming at 6. So we're going to say, when is Sandra coming? When is Sandra coming? Okay, 13 practice. Put an X next to the correctly written sentence. All right, so whichever one is correct. So Mary is having a lot of homework right now. Mary has a lot of homework right now. So these are those non-action verbs. If you get confused, look at the explanation on the bottom of page 109. These are my non-action verbs. What that means is I don't use them in the progressive. I don't say she is having a lot of homework. I don't say she is having a car, or she is having 3 brothers and 2 sisters. Okay, she has. Okay, let me try another one. Susan needs a new coat. Susan is needing a new coat. So they want us to put an X next to the one that is correct. This one is going to be the first one. And here's why. Just like have and has, the word need or needs, it happens in the brain. It happens in the heart. There's no action ever, ever, ever. Okay, so I don't say she is needing. I could say she is walking. She is running. She is driving. Those are all actions. Okay, 14 practice. They want us to put the words in the blanks that go down here. All right, so it says the woman in the picture has long hair. I'm going to look at the picture. The woman in the picture has long hair. She blank a white blouse and a skirt. Probably something about where, right? She's doing it right now. So I'm going to say she is wearing. She is wearing a white blouse. A blouse is a shirt for women, and a skirt. In the picture, she at a table in a restaurant. I want to go with sit, and it's happening now. When we're talking about a picture, right? In the picture, that's what she's doing. So we tend to use the present progressive if possible. So she is. I already forgot. She is. Okay, the word is probably going to have to be sit, right? It's not she's wearing at a table, she's reading at a table, she's loving. No. It's got to be is sitting. S-I-T. No. S-it. S-it. Consonant, vowel, consonant. To double that. T-I-N-G. Okay. Down here, complete the sentences with the words in parentheses, then add the words to the table below each dialogue. What are you doing? Are you studying? No, I not studying. No, I'm going to say am not studying. I clean. We're going to say I am cleaning. Okay, you're going to do the rest of these. Same with this one. Why sit? They want us to use sit, and it says you in front of the class. So I'm going to go with why are you sitting in front of the class? All right. Then it says you usually tells us we have to use the present tense. Usually, always, never, sometimes. Those adverbs of frequency really tells it happens again and again and again. You usually sit at the back. Okay, I'll let you try the rest of those. Look at part C, blank, you blank Japanese. Okay, so this one sounds like is this something that you know how to do, not what are you doing now. So we're going to have to go with does or do. Do. You, they want us to use speak. Do I need to add anything like ing? Do you speaking? Nope. Do you speaks? Nope. Just the base verb. Because of do, the next verb is the base verb. Do you speak Japanese? Yes, a little. Guess what? It's the same word. I speak a little. Skoshi, kidogo, un poquito, sedikit. Oops, that should be a small s. I'm going to fix that. There we go. All right, the next one. How often you to your family? How often is one of those present tense phrases. So we're going to have to say how often do you write to your family? Look at the next one. Blank, you blank out now. And it says now, so we have to use the progressive. So instead of do, we're going to say are, because are goes with you. Are you going out now? Okay, yes, I go to the store. This is all now, so we're going to say yes, I am going. Okay, look at F. Blank, you blank at the moment. At the moment is the same as now, so we have to use the present progressive. So with you, we have to say am, are, or is. Am you, are you, is you. Are you? Are you? What do I do with work? That's right, ing. Are you working at the moment? Are you working now? I'll let you finish those. Look at the next one. Why you on your coat? Probably it's happening now. It's not why do you put on a coat every day? Why are you, we use the word put, double the T, ing. Why are you putting on your coat? You can finish that. Okay, what you for? Okay, this is again happening now. So we're going to say, what are you waiting for? Okay. Why you so fast? Usually so fast. So this is happening now. Why are you walking so fast? You usually fast. Usually, most of the time, again and again and again. You usually don't walk so fast. Okay, usually take. So because of this, because of the word usually, we know it's the present tense. So we're going to say do, because do goes with you. Do you, and I'm going to use the word usually, take. Okay. Usually take. Do you usually take so fast? I think I made a mistake there. Let me just check that one real quick. Oh, the bus to school. So do you usually take the bus to school? Yes, I always take the bus. So B says, I can't believe I did that. Let me just pause this just for a second. Okay, and we're back. I went ahead and fixed that one. So usually take, we're going to say, do you usually take the bus to school? You usually not walk fast. Wait, was that right too? Oh, we're going to take that part out. All right, and then the person says, okay, I got my numbers wrong. Yes, I always take the bus. And then he says, I like it. And that's number 4. And then number 5, I not have. We're going to say, I don't have a problem with parking. There's no number 6. Okay. And then K, blank, you blank, Joanne, remember happens in the brain or in the heart. So we're going to say, do you remember Joanne? Okay. Okay, down here, it's just multiple choice. I've got C done for you. Let's do number 2. Number 2 says, schools blank in test. Okay, the word is believe. Believe happens in the brain or the heart. It's a non-action, so I have to use the present tense. It's got to be D. Let's try one more. This food, delicious. The word smell is also non-action. The food is singular, so we have to use an S. So this food smells. There we go. All right, and then down here, we have to look for the mistake. So number 1 is done for us. It says it's A, hippos are eating at night and spend the day in water. So this happens every day, right? Not just now. So we're going to have to use A and really change it from are eating to the word eat. Number 2, fingernails growing. That's terrible. Not they growing. So it's going to be B, right? So growing is going to be grow. Okay. And that's your whole homework assignment for chapter 4. All right, get it done. See you next time.